Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the NA Garage YouTube channel. And today we're gonna be talking about the Mk2 Audi TT, the common problems, and 5 things I really hate, but not hate about it. You know, it's a strong word to use, hate, because I don't really hate it. And the Vipers I hate right now, because you can probably hear that. These are not the things I hate, but they annoy me. But I'm just gonna call it hate for the title, you know, get them views and likes. So speaking of views and likes, hit the subscribe button down below, like the video if you like it, comment any suggestions on modifying the car or anything. It's currently raining outside, so I decided to do the video inside the car because basically all the things are inside the car. So yeah, let's check the first thing out. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the cup holder situation. So there's my cup of coffee here. It does not fit inside of here, and if I would put it in here, it would go like that and it would spill all over the place. But here, it's just a little bit too shallow. So there's another thing. When you pull down the handbrake and up, if you have a wider cup than this, or even when you have the handbrake up on this car, there's this leather bit here, and if you're not careful with bottles or even cans, if you have a can in here, you can tip it over with this if you're not careful, because it's really close to the handbrake. Another thing is, you cannot fit a can and a bottle in the cup holder itself, because as you can see, this thing right here is made for cans, and these are cups and all the other stuff, but you can fit 2 inside of here, like the combination of a can and a bottle of something. So this is my first pet peeve about the car. So the second thing that's really bothering me are these dirty carpets. No, I'm kidding. But the thing about the carpets, everyone's talking about it, it's these things right here. These get up and they stay like that, and when you get in, the carpet just slides like that and it goes under your pedals, and it's really annoying. So every time I go in and out of the car, I have to put the carpet back in. This is the thing that I really find annoying. And this is the nice interior of my car. It's white on white. I mean white on beige. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be talking about is the glove compartment. So this thing, just like all Audi TTs, is squeaking and it's going down really slowly. This should not be like that. It should just go down like that. Also peeped the nice CD changer. Yeah. Old school. This thing should not really be like that. See? This should not be like that. This should just go down smoothly like that. If I help it, it does it. But some cars don't even do that, or they just break plastics inside of there. So let's talk about the thing number 4. So the number 4 thing that I really hate is the fact that the buttons for the gas cap and the trunk are located inside of here with these buttons. This is really annoying because, as you can see, I have stuff in here and my phone goes flying up here when I brake hard or something in traffic, you know, not speeding, of course. It goes flying like this and it hits the button, and then my trunk opens up, or my gas cap, or anything else I have in here. Like, it just hits it, or I'm the clumsy one and just hit it by accident. This is really annoying. And also the annoying thing about having this button here and one on the key is you don't actually get the button on the boot lid to open it. So that's the annoying part of having 2 buttons to open the lid. That's just annoying. What if that breaks? How are you gonna get in the boot of the car? So the last thing I wanted to talk about, this is like the bonus thing I wanted to talk about, but I think it's the 5th. I can't really remember. Okay, let's say it's the 5th thing I wanted to talk about, is this, the aluminium. It looks so good, so clean, but the problem with it is I can't really show it to you, but it gets so dirty so fast. I cleaned this, I don't even think it was 1 day ago. I think it was yesterday I cleaned this, and it's already dirty. It's almost not as bad as the piano black on new cars. Everything can be seen on there. But yeah, this is a thing that really bothers me, that just It could be better, but it looks good, so I'm gonna give it that. So this is basically going to be it for the top 5 things I hate about the car. If you have any suggestions, something you didn't like in the video, anything I could report on or show you in my car, please comment down below. And thank you all for watching. I think the next video is going to be about top 5 things I love about this car. And yeah guys, I need to take a thumbnail in the rain, so this is gonna suck. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.